Hello everyone guys, so from last 1 week BTC is completely looking bullish guys, and the price goes to $44,000 guys. It's amazing guys, and I also do a prediction for BTC on my Telegram group guys. If you're my Telegram member guys, you're printing money from Bitcoin guys. By the way, you can join my Telegram group guys, link is available in the video description. Check the description and join Telegram group guys, completely free guys. Link is available in the video description on Telegram. I share 5 to 10 signal every day guys, and it's completely free guys. Currently BTC on resistance level $44,000 and current market price is $43,000 is the current price level for BTC guys. Maybe there is scenario for Bitcoin guys that the price falls to $41 guys, $41,000. There is possibilities for Bitcoin guys that it will dump guys. So I'm looking bearish on Bitcoin guys. What's your opinion about BTC? Please tell me in the comment box guys. And if you want latest update about Bitcoin, so you have to join my Telegram group, because I'm totally active on Telegram about crypto market. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.